Hello YouTube and welcome to this video where we are going to release version 1.1 of GreenFever, the new content management system made by myself and some colleagues. So in version 1.1 we have basically fixed a lot of the problems with the administration panel and the administration panel login when GreenFever is being used on a PHP 5 server. PHP 5 and updates after it depreciate a couple of different functions to do with sessions and cookies, and so that created a couple of different warning messages and error messages on some of the earlier versions of PHP 5 and in some of the later versions of PHP 5, like the brand new ones, like PHP 5.4. It even left some things completely unfunctional. So in GreenFever 1.1 we've fixed that so that you can use it on a PHP 5 server or web hosting account, and it's all good. So it's updated for the latest PHP versions without any depreciated functions. We also started to implement search here in the sidebar. This isn't as customizable as I had hoped for in this version, but I mean it's getting there. So if we search help, ideally we have a results page here at wherever you installed GreenFever /search.php. So that's a new file with a URL parameter there, and we come up with some results. Now ideally this would be set to results from your website, or you can also set it to a Google custom search. Now what Google custom search is that's where you log in, you create a search, a custom search, I guess we call it, and you select what websites are indexed, or you can choose to index the whole internet, like the whole of what Google has available, and you can create like a custom search engine with custom search results. So you could change this quite easily by using the ID that Google gives you when you make a custom search, because this is all powered by Google Custom Search. So you use the ID that they give you when you create your own, and you can set it to maybe just your website or a bunch of different websites that you might run, or a bunch of websites related to your website in that niche. So say you've got a website about video games, you could include results for other video game websites if you wanted, or the entire internet. So yeah, as you can see, powered by Google Custom Search. So it's this Google Custom Search, add-in in the sidebar here, or widget, or whatever you want to call it. That'll be finished in version 1.2, the next version, where it'll be fully customizable in the admin panel, a lot easier to use. You can easily remove that search as well if you don't want it there, so that's another option if you're waiting for it to be more of a refined feature, or if you just don't want search, or maybe you have your own search implemented, that's fine as well. So that's what's new with GreenFever latest version. Download link will be in the description below, and I've already seen a couple of websites using GreenFever to run the website, so I thank you if you are using it, and I hope this next version, and especially some of the future versions that we have in the pipeline, I think they will really refine the software and make it a lot easier to use, and bring it in line with some of the other content management systems out there. To upgrade, if you're on version 1.0, to upgrade to version 1.1, it's quite easy. There is an instructions text document included in the zip file which has all the GreenFever stuff in it. So there are upgrade instructions. The instructions list has 2 steps, okay? So it's like a less than a 5-minute job, if that. It's like a 2-minute job to upgrade, and that's really easy to do. I'd also like to thank Antserv, antserv.com, for making me a support team member. Okay, about a week ago I was made a support team member, and I'm really enjoying the position. I'm honoured to have the position on the team at Antserv, and I've been trying to be as helpful as possible on the forums, and I'm really enjoying working at Antserv and also just being a part of the community, which is what I have been doing for a couple of months now, without having any fancy title. So Antserv, if you want free web hosting or paid web hosting, they offer great free and paid services. Visit antserv.com. That's ANTSERVE.com. Download link for GreenFever 1.1 will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And look, if you've got a website that you have made that runs GreenFever, or you've maybe modified GreenFever or done any of that, comment. I want to see how GreenFever is being used, creatively and around the web. Okay, so comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.